Rust stains in tubs and showers can be removed without damaging the surface if you use the right cleaners and techniques. Start by identifying the surface material because porcelain, enamel, fiberglass, and acrylic all react differently to cleaners. For porcelain and enamel, a paste of barkeeper's friend powder or cream applied directly to the stain and left for a minute before scrubbing with a non-abrasive sponge usually lifts rust without scratching. For acrylic and fiberglass, dilute the cleaner with a little water so it is less concentrated, apply gently, and use a soft nylon brush rather than a rough pad to avoid micro scratches. Work in small areas, rinse frequently to check progress, and repeat application rather than increasing pressure or leaving harsh chemicals on the surface for long periods. After the stain is gone, neutralize any remaining cleaner by rinsing thoroughly and wiping dry to prevent water spots or residue. Always wear gloves and ensure good ventilation when using cleaners, and test the cleaner in an inconspicuous spot first to confirm there is no discoloration. Common mistakes include scrubbing too aggressively and creating fine scratches that trap dirt, which you avoid by using soft brushes and gentle, repeated applications rather than brute force. Another frequent issue is leaving abrasive or bleaching products on the surface for long periods, which can dull or etch finishes. The remedy is to follow product instructions closely, rinse promptly, and choose cleaners formulated for the specific material. A third mistake is using a dirty sponge or brush that redeposits iron particles back onto the surface. So use a fresh sponge or clean brush each time and rinse tools thoroughly after each pass. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us share project tips and experiences in our discussion community, so you can ask about surface types and local pros. We help contractors find work and homeowners find options while providing a space for peers to compare methods and results.